What is up, YouTube? This is Hefner. My YouTube channel is The Bearded Hefner. Put the two and two together. This is my first video on this channel, and it's not going to really be about anything. You know, they always say when you start a YouTube channel, the hardest video is always the first one, because you want it to be perfect. You don't know what it's going to be about. And as Think Media would say, just press record. Ain't nobody going to see this video anyway. I might get, 22 views on it. So welcome to my channel. This is hoping to be a men's channel where I talk about physical fitness, hygiene, and tips from my bearded brothers. You know what I'm saying? So once again, my name is Hef. This whole thing was right off the dome. No script, no nothing. I'll do better on my second video. All right? Peace.